Good morning. Welcome to ABC Trader. Today is January 8th and it's around 11 a.m. And what I'm doing is I'm waiting for the move. I missed the move this morning, and what I'm trying to do is, from that webinar yesterday, I was talking about this market maker, and we're getting close to this line here. Now, what I want to know is we had a major sell-off, and I'm waiting for the retracement to see if it breaks up to continue up, or if there's going to be another sell-off. If the sell-off starts getting really aggressive, I'm going to short and hopefully get down to here, one of these two levels here. It could be this yellow line, this green line, or this market maker line at the top of it. What I believe it's going to happen is, what they're doing is, they had that sell-off, they're holding the target, they're going to wait until top of the hour, and maybe do another punch. And the punch will be at, let me see, 23, somewhere right around this. We have to see if they're just going to creep it up slowly. And if they do creep it up slowly, let me see here. To maybe the 31150 level, then they want to do a sell-off on Monday, one or the other. So we'll just let her play for a while and see what happens. And what you see right here, as you could, this is where all the playing was. So they got back into the zone, possibly to load up for another sell-off. And if they do break through, then what they're going to do, they're going to go back to the overnight session. Let's go back to the overnight session, to the peak of 31148 for the major sell-off. It's going to be one of those two directions, and what we're trying to do is try to figure out which way they want to go, because this is where I believe we're into that region of interest, or the zone of interest, and we'll see if they're going to tap this, and I want to see what the price action happens right on this level. If they break through, then I'll push for some ticks to go up to the top. Even though she already did one big, this is a retracement move going back into the zone, I don't like that. I want to wait until I break out of this zone. Even though it's creeping up slowly, they want to sell off. This is what they usually do. So they'll do a big sell off, and they creep it up ever so slowly, just so they can get their contracts, and then they do it again. It looks like they want this zone here, 16, 18, 21, 24. We'll find out, and then we can jump in. It's at 80. If it breaks here, then we can go in for a pullback here, because now, no, we're still in negative territory here. This is a day trend sell zone. So if it does selling off quickly, we may be able to get into that day trend. And we're right at the top of the hour for the pullback. And I'm just really curious if there's going to be a lot of selling off here coming up right away. We're 52, 57, 59, 53, 65. There's a lot of little round and swing points there. Let's see if they touch this line for rejection. $89, that's right there. I'm going to just drag this chart over so you can see what I'm looking at. This is what I call the banker's candle. And what the banker's candle, what it means, that you go down and then it's a rejection. So what they need is to get back to the liquidity in order for their sell-off. They wanted to knock everybody out, feel confident, get back to break even, and then actually make its move. This is the move that they want to do. So from the top overnight session, it looks like this is where they were loading up. So what they're going to do is try to get up to probably the 3160, somewhere within the zone, and then you're going to see another major sell-off. We're just waiting. Okay, so we got really close to the volume under control. Now let's see if we break out of this zone. If we start breaking down quickly, I might short this position here. I want to see it pull back in and then pull down again. Okay, now I'm in the trade. I believe the market really wants to push down, way back down here again, and bring this down. Let's see what happens. Let me see here, 20, 20, let it bounce on the 20. And here we go. We'll see if it breaks this. If not, I'll close my position really quickly. And what we have, let's go arrow. Really close. I'll put it back to 800 here. And so what's happening is we're breaking out of that zone, the Fibonacci zone, or I mean the market maker area. And if it works well, we'll be able to get down to 837, 800 area. We're going to see a major sell-off here, it looks like. It's just starting. Because what happened is we got into, like I said, the market maker. This is called the zone of interest. And now, while it's gobbling its way down, it needs to come back down to this area again as a double bottom or a continuation to get to this market maker at the top of this line, or this market open price. And we'll see if she's going to really take off. Now we have, I'll say, until that major sell-off. Let's see here. I'll say it will push down until about noon. So we got 1 hour of a good push. I would love to see it come down to this zone of interest here. Or right down here. Okay, we are in a sell trend. Now let's see if we can get to the 20 level. We'll see what the reaction is at the 20 level. I might cash on this on the 20 level here. And here's our sell-off. See, they did it once, and then they want to do it again. And because of the angle, we know she really wants to push down. We'll see what the reaction is here. There are stop outs on this zone. We are outside of the market maker box. It wants to be attracted to this market maker box. And it needs to get down to here. Now what you'll notice, you're going to see the yellow dot, and we're going to have another impulse. The next impulse move, what we're going to do, here a lot. Over here. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. That's okay. Now let's see. She'll push down one more time. Gotta get to at least 22. We'll get back to the 20 zone. Now what we're going to look for, because this was creeping up so slowly and it's just curling around, we need to see if it breaks this mark bracelet. If it does, if it punches through quite well, we're going to see two vibration levels right here. What we're seeing is more selling pressure coming into the market. And it's right here. The only reason why right here is we have things called stall levels. And we have from 78, 68. We still possibly have maybe another 100 tick point or tick move. We'll find out. Are we in there? I said till about 12 o'clock. Yeah, let's say around 11:45. Now this is what you call the 21 tick pullback. What you'll notice is it should come down one more time. We're going to see another aggressive sell-off. So second yellow, area of interest, put in the northern, and away you go again. Now if it breaks this yellow again, then you can close the position and trade. There you go, there's two of them. I'll check what my selling pressure is. 32. I'd like to see it break this level. We'll know right away. 71.68. We have to see if it breaks 68. If it doesn't break 68, we'll shut her down. We'll wait for another trade. But let's see if she breaks down. Nine. Here's the breakdown. 48. There we go. Let's see if she breaks this. Are we having more selling pressure? Yes, we are. That's our breakthrough. Okay, now once we start breaking this level here, we're almost breaking through. Sorry, I thought it would breakdown. Once it breaks down, then you look at this zone. Let's see if we can get down to 20. Okay, we broke that zone. And it all depends what the vibration is on these two lines. If not, we'll close down. Let's see if we can gobble those up. we're having a lot of selling pressure here. Okay. I'm going to shut her down. And so that one trade there, we did quite well. The key is, it's probably going to continue to break down even more. These two lines right here in this sand is for making sure we get here. You know what? Yeah, that's basically all I wanted to show you on this video. If you have any questions, you can email me at abc123trade. Other than that, just enter your trade safely.